This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials, your Chromebook model and Chrome OS version, and that battery is above 10%. Once done, open Quick Settings and turn Bluetooth on. If it's already on, toggle it off and back on to reset the radio. Make sure the external device is awake and in pairing or discoverable mode, and position it within a few feet. Doing this first narrows causes and lets you move quickly into network and driver checks without wasting time on trivial reconnections. Next, you remove the device from Settings Bluetooth and then repair to clear pairing conflicts. This often fixes profile corruption. If that fails, restart the Chromebook and open Crash to reset the Bluetooth adapter. This flushes the driver state. Also check Chrome OS updates, install any pending updates and reboot because firmware fixes frequently resolve radio problems. While doing these steps, monitor the Bluetooth icon and device list. Changes there tell you whether software or hardware remains the likely. To finish, run the Chromebook Diagnostics app or use Crash Test commands to verify the Bluetooth hardware. Diagnostic failure indicates a hardware fault. You then narrow things down by testing a different Bluetooth device or connect a USB Bluetooth dongle to confirm whether internal radio or software is at fault. If diagnostics pass but issues persist, back up your data and consider a power wash to reset system state, and if that still fails, contact manufacturer support for repair options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.